Hello, and I hope that you liked this video about Smash Road. I know that a lot of you haven't been playing Smash Road, but you guys should download it. So please leave a like and subscribe down below, and leave comments in the description. So yeah, that's that. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh yeah. I made you crash. Let's go. Oh yeah, and by the way, that person that's popping behind me is my brother, so yeah. He's my bro. Oh, I almost crashed. Well, I did crash, but I almost died. No. I don't want to get trapped. Oh, I got busted. Alright, let's try again. Alright, so let's continue. Sorry for that pause though. Alright, now let's continue. Let's drift. Oh yeah. Bam! Let's go. Let's grab that money. You money jackers. Well, not money jackers, but I'm unstoppable. I'm a robber. I somehow just escaped, so I don't know what happened, but it was kind of a glitch. It lagged and I escaped when it said busted, but I don't know. It was cool glitch though. Alright, so let's continue. Grab that last, but oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell you guys that when we get $100, we get to win a new car, so that's awesome. It's kind of like Minecraft, like leveling up, but this one is about cars, like smashing around. So that's why they call it Smash Road, where it's a road where you smash around other players. So yeah. Peace. Please leave a subscribe down below and in the comments. So in the description down below. So
peace out.
Peace out. Or just win this car.
Ouch.
Legendary. And then boom bus.
Poop bus.
So now I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you're still enjoying this series. Peace out.